Good morning, students. Today's revision topic: whole numbers. Whole numbers. What is whole number? Natural numbers along with zero forms the set of whole numbers. Okay. Definition for whole number: natural numbers along with zero forms a set of whole numbers. The set of whole numbers is represented by the symbol W. Represented by the symbol W. So W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Okay. This is the definition for the whole number. Whole numbers. What is whole number? Natural numbers along with 0 forms the set of whole numbers. Then this whole numbers can be denoted by the symbol W. W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay. Then properties of whole number. Say some of the properties of whole number. Properties of whole number. Properties of whole numbers. All natural numbers are whole numbers. All, first property, all natural numbers are whole numbers. Okay, all natural numbers are whole numbers. Then all whole numbers are natural numbers except 0. Then 0 is the, which one is the smallest whole number? 0. 0 is the smallest whole number. Smallest whole number. 0 is the smallest whole numbers. Okay. Then associative property of associative property. Okay. Some of the properties. First one, associative property. Associative property, which means grouping or associating in any order. Do not change in the final result. Okay. Associative property, which means grouping or associating in any order, does not change the final result. First one, addition. Addition for associative property: A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Okay, this is the associative property for addition. Then next one, associative property of multiplication. Associative property of multiplication is cross B into C. A into B into C is equal to A into B into C into C. This is the associative properties. First one, addition. Second one, multiplication. Then using this property and find out the sum of the questions. Okay, question and answers. First one, A into B plus addition. 20, simplify the following. Simplify the following. A 29 plus 125 plus 71. Then using this associative property, How to write down this number? You can group in the first two number 29. Any two numbers. Okay. 29 plus 125. Otherwise 29 plus 71 is can getting 100. So you can join this first and last number. 29 plus 71 plus 125. Then 29 plus 71 is equal to 100. 100 plus 125. So 100 plus 125 is equal to 225. 225. Okay. Then next one, distributive property of multiplication. This one, associative property. The next one, distributive property of multiplication. Distributive property of multiplication. A star B plus C. Okay. A star B plus C is equal to A star B plus A star C. A star B plus C is equal to A star B plus A star C. The next one, A star B minus C is equal to A star B minus A star C minus A star C. Okay, this is the distributive property of multiplication. This is the associative property. This is the distributive property. A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. A into B minus C is equal to A into B minus A into C. Okay, then some other related to some of these questions. This distributive property. Find 120 into 102 is using distributive property. Find 120 into 102 using this property. Then how to write this number 120 into 102? First 120, that like you write it into, then you can split this number. 102 you can split into 100 plus 2. Suppose here 98 how means, how do you can split that number? 100 minus 2. Here 102, so you will split that number into 100 plus 2. Then using the distributive law, A into B plus C. A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. That like you can write this one means 120 into 100 plus 2. 100 plus 2. Then how to write this one? This is A value, this is B value, this is C value. Then A into B. A into B is equal to 120 into 100 plus, then next here plus symbol only, that symbol you will write it. Okay, plus then A into C. Okay, first one A into B, the next one A into C. 120 into 2. 120 into 2. Then here 120 into 100. 120 into 100 is equal to 12,000. Okay, 12,000 plus 120 into 2. 120 into 2 is equal to 240. So the answer is 12,240. 12,240. Okay, then next topic, evaluating arithmetic expression. Evaluating arithmetic expression. Evaluating arithmetic expression. First one, expression involving addition and subtraction. Expression involving addition and subtraction, moving from left to right. Perform whichever operation, addition or subtraction, that come first. Okay. Which one is come first, that one you will complete it. Then after you do on the next one. For example, evaluate the following expression. 800 minus 600 plus 300 is equal to, here first operation is subtraction. Now subtract it. 800 minus 600. 800 minus 600 is equal to 200 plus 300. 200 plus 300 is equal to 500. Okay. That same like multiplication and division. Multiplication and division. That also only two operations. Multiplication and division means moving from left to right. Then perform whichever operation, multiplication or division, that come first. Which one is come first, that one you do want. For example, 32 divided by 4 divided by 2. Then here you can, first you can do the operator division. Then 32 divided by 4 is equal to 8. 32 divided by 4 divided by 2. Then 32, 4, 8s are 32. 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 2 4s are 8. So answer is 4. Okay, this is only addition and subtraction. Two arithmetic operation, addition and subtraction, and division and multiplication. Division and multiplication. Then order of the operation. Expression involving addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Order of the operation. Expression involving addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay. Expression involving addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. If an expression involving any 3 or all 4 operations, basic operations. What are the first 4 basic operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Then it is evaluated using the 2 rules. First rules, moving from left to right, perform all the division and multiplication operator. Okay, first rule, addition and you can moving to left to right, perform all the division and multiplication operation. Okay, first steps, moving from left to right, perform all the division and multiplication operator, whichever come first. Then next step, moving from left to right, moving from left to right, perform all the addition and subtraction operation. Okay, addition and subtraction operation. For example, evaluate 56 divided by 2 plus 3 into 10 minus 12. Here, what do you do under the first step? First step, moving from left to right, division and multiplication. Okay, so here first want to do division. 56 by 2 plus 3 into 10 minus 12. Then 56 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4, balance 1 here 16. Then 8 2s are 16. First step over, 28 plus. Then what's the next step? Move to left to right, multiplication. So 3 into 10. 3 into 10 is equal to 3 10s are 30 minus 12. Then next step, here addition, subtraction. Only two operations. Then you can move to left to right. First step addition, okay. Then next step subtraction. So here 28, 30. 28 plus 30 is equal to 58 minus 12. Then 58 minus 12 is equal to 46. Okay, 46. The next one, 50 minus 30 divided by 5 plus 7 into 0 minus 1. This is the next question. 50 minus 30 divided by 5 plus 7 into 0 minus 1. Here, what is the first step? Division and multiplication. So here division done. This one 30 into divided by 5. Then so 50 as like you write it. 50 minus then 30 by 5 plus 7 into 0 minus 1. Then 50 minus then 30 minus 5. 5 6 are 30. So 50 minus 60. Then what is the next step? Division over the next one multiplication. Then 7 into 0, 0. 7 into 0, 0 minus 1. The next step here subtraction, addition and subtraction. So you can move to left to right. What are the first which operation? That one you do one. Then 15 minus 6. 15 minus 6 equal to 44. Then 44 plus 0 minus 1. Then 44 plus 0 is equal to 44 minus 1. Then 44 minus 1 is equal to 43. What's the answer? 43. Okay. This is the expression involving addition, subtraction, multiplication. All the basic 4 operations. The next one, expression involving bracket. Very important one, brackets. Then bracket for you can using the BODMAS rule. Then what's the meaning of this one? BODMAS stands for B for bracket, brackets, then O for of, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, P for subtraction. Okay, this is the BODMAS rule. Then on question, bracket here means first you find out the value for bracket value. Okay, first you find out the bracket value. Next you find out the value for of value. Of means multiplication. Okay, next you find out the multiplication value. Next division value. Then next one multiplication. The next addition, subtraction. Okay, that like you do what? For example, 2 into, find the value of 2 into 3 divided by 4 minus 2. Here, first you find out the value. For which value you find out on 1? Using this rule, find out the bracket value. Then 2 into 3, that like you will write it, divided by 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 2. The next step, 2 into 3 divided by 2. Then what's the next step? Only here 2 operations. So you move to only 2 operations. So you move to left to right. One by one do it. Then so first one multiplication. 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 6 by 2. 6 divided by 2 means 6 by 2. So 6 divided by 3 is 2 is equal to 3. What's the answer? 3. Okay. Then next one. 1 plus types of the bracket. Okay, types of the bracket. This one. 1 plus 4 minus 12 divided by 1 plus 3. Okay, sum of the bracket here. This bracket is known as square bracket. This is the square bracket. The next bracket, this is the which bracket? Curly bracket. Then this one is the round bracket. Okay, round bracket. Then here, okay, the order of the solving bracket in the expression is first one line bracket. This means line bracket. The next curly bracket value. Next you find out the remaining bracket have here. First you find out the line bracket. Next you find out the rounded bracket, this rounded bracket value. Next you find out the curly bracket value. Last you find out the box bracket value. Okay, then here how to do on this one? First you find out the remaining value, you will write it. Okay, bracket 4 into minus 12 divided by, then find out the line value. Line value is equal to 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Okay, here also minus 4. Then put the bracket. Okay, then 1 plus 4 minus, then next rounded bracket. Find out the value for rounded bracket. Then 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. Okay, 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. But this is the which bracket? Curly bracket. Okay, then close box bracket. 1 plus 4 minus 3. 1 plus 4 minus 3. Then 1 plus 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Then 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. What's the answer? 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. This is the, which term? This one is the whole numbers. Whole numbers. Easy one. Okay, any doubt you ask me. Thank you, students.